Okay, start now. Start with this O. What color is this?
O.
What color?
U.
What color?
Le.
Oh, yellow. Go get the yellow and color this O yellow.
Le.
Okay, yellow.
D.
Color all, okay? But it's not, we are not in alphabet, so you need to call it circle. I don't know if that a sofa.
Yellow.
Yeah, yellow. Color all. Yellow. So it's not hard for you to color to shade this blue one.
D.
Yeah. Yes. Oh, I'll check the pattern here. Oh, you don't need to color it another color unless you don't have color yellow. You can change it with other color. Check. Look there, not on mama's face. I'm watching you. Okay, done. Oh, next. Next, you need to color this side, this triangle side. What color is this? Blue. Okay, go find the blue one. Go find the blue color. Is that blue? Okay, color. Be careful, huh? Don't color the yellow. You already color it yellow, so avoid that one. Just this line, this black line. Until here only. You can check. Yeah. Very good. Be careful. Slowly but surely. Move now, move your hands. Here. This is all you need to color blue. Yalla. Be careful. Be careful. Be careful. MashaAllah. Be careful. Until they're only in the black line. Yeah, very good. Good job, Hamdan. Good job. Yay, good job. Wow. Wow, very good. Off. Your hand is too fast. Your hand is too fast. Slowly but surely. Okay, leave it. This one, what color is this? Red. Oh, go find the red. Red. Oh, too much red. But I want the red one there. Oh, the big one. Big red. So you can color it properly. Yes, very good. Okay, start coloring this side red color. Can you please hold your color properly? Not like that. Check out. Wow, very good. Don't cross in this black line. Yeah. That's my boy. Off. Your hand is too fast now. Slowly lang. Oops. See? Oh. You already crossed. That's not color red anymore. Off. Off. Check. It's not funny. Green. Where is green? Where green? Green. Too much green, huh? MashaAllah. Don't have too much color. Okay. O. Okay. Okay, mama. Finish this side first. of your. This is not green. Can you check properly? This side pa. Oh. Your hands is too fast. Slowly.